CapCut tutorial video on how to transfer your audio as an MP3 from a video. So here we have our video, okay, and I'm going to show you how to export just the audio. All right, so we're going to open up this dialog box, and here you can see that by default video is checked, but audio is not. So let's check the audio right here, and you can see it's by default says MP3, but you can open it up and there's WAV and other formats, but we're just going to do MP3 for the sake of the tutorial. The next thing you want to do, you want to uncheck the video part of it. So you uncheck that, and you can see now it says MP3 up there, and we're going to name it something so we don't lose it. So we're going to go up here and rename it to something that we can find. And the other part about this is you want to make sure that you're saving it to a directory where you're going to be easily able to locate your MP3 once you have it. So down here by default it goes into the CapCut videos, which is fine because I know where that's at. But if you don't want to put it there, you can choose something else just like this. You can just, but I'm just going to leave it here in the CapCut videos. And yep, we're just going to hit it, export. It's going to do its thing at the bottom right there. You can see it's working. It's exporting the MP3, just the audio, not the video. Okay, so it says audio's been exported, and you're going to hit OK. All right, and then we're going to go look for our MP3 file that we just extracted. We're going to go into the video section, which is where I saved my MP3, and there it is. It's right there. Okay, and we know that that's our MP3, and we'll be able to use it as a voiceover on another video, or you can just use it for whatever else you may wish to use it. And yeah, it's really that simple. Let me know if you found this useful, the CapCut tutorial, and I have other tutorials regarding this editing program, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.